Squishy Collector. Subscribe, comment, and like.
Hello everyone, and I have a squishy haul. Not a squishy, I'm so sorry. I'm so used to saying it because next after this video I'll be doing a squishy video because 2 of my squishy packages came. So I'm sorry about that. But I meant slime haul from Michaels. I'm sorry I keep saying squishy. And so let's get started. So let's get started on our slime that we have from Michaels. So the first slime that I have is this neon slime. And the second slime I have is this pink neon slime. Blue. So yeah. And I'm so excited to open one. And I'm another one for when my other squishy packages come. So I can do a squishy giveaway. And this will be included as a extra. So the slime that I'm going to be opening is this pink slime. Because a lot of people don't like pink. So yeah. So I'll come back to the video when I have it open. Okay guys, so this is the packaging and it came in this container, so I'm gonna open it. And then it came with another container. So let's try to open this if I can. Oh my god, I can't open it. Hold up, I'll be right back. I have it open and it came super secure because, oh my god, you can see like the slime coming. It came, I can't take it out because it's so sticky. And this. And so this is the slime. Oh my god, so smooth. Oh my god, guys, I love this slime. Like, I might keep the other one and buy another one later because I'm gonna want to play with both of them. Because like, this is like jiggly slime. Like, and look. I thought it was gonna be like sticky because I never like brought slime from a place. I always like had made it like, so that's why I'm like kind of shocked. It smells like soap or something. It smells like some type of soap. I don't know what it smells like. I know it smells like soap, but I can't like decide like what soap. But I know it smells like some type of soap that I have in my house too. And yeah, my god, jiggly! I just love it. I like love jiggly slime. Just comes right off too. You can't even like put your finger in it and really like see like the hole because how jiggly it is. This is good slime. Like, I'm really impressed. And if you're wondering where I got this slime from, I bought it from Michaels if you didn't see like the beginning. Because some people like they like fast forward to see like the actual thing. So yeah. This is like so jiggly. I love this slime. Like, I'm gonna be playing with this slime almost every single day. I will bring it to school, but in school is where like people steal your stuff or like they take it and be like if they can play with it and they never give it back. So yeah, that's why I don't like really bring stuff to school like squishies and slime and stuff. God, I love this. Yeah, I love this slime so much. Like, and when you put it like this, it looks like it's gonna stick, but it literally comes right off. Like, I like how it's like when you have it on, it looks like it's gonna stick, but it's really not. Like, I have to do a giveaway on one of these slime, like from Michaels, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people will like this slime too. Like, it's so jiggly. Like, comment down below if you want me to do another slime giveaway, but with that blue slime, this blue slime that I have, because I will do it. Cause like, I don't know, like stuff like sorry about that. Stuff like these make me like so happy. Like, look how it just jiggle. Like, you know that song, Jiggle Jiggle Pop? It's like how it is, like jiggle jiggle pop pop. Like that's how it feels to me. Like it feels so soft and everything. So yeah, that is the slime that I had got from Michaels that I brought, and this is how much it cost. This is my receipt. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if my camera's focusing. Or no, it's sorry, it was upside down. Okay, so now I don't know if my camera's focusing. But yeah, that's how much it cost. And it was plus tax, which is 53 cents. With $6.51. So the total. So I gave her $7 and I got 50 cents back. She just gave me 50 cents instead of like splitting the 49 cents up. So yeah. It's super cheap slime, and for these type of slime, it's really good. I'm just like really surprised. Like when you first get it, it may stick to your hand, like just like the what's the name? But after that, it will come off. And then my other like, when I was there to pick out the slime, they had slime kits. So I'm also gonna buy that and do like a tutorial like DIY slime. And I'm also gonna do like more like buy more slime from them and just give it away. Because this makes me really happy. I like the slime. I might even do a like a ASMR video to this. Or like just a satisfying type video, because this makes me really, like, I'm just so excited to get this. Like, this was not how I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like putty, and putty is kind of like hard. It's like a dry. It's almost like dry slime, a dry hard slime. Is amazing. And let's just see it rip. Oh my god, it's super stretchy. It's super sketchy. So yeah, guys, make sure, and I will be leaving Michael's link down in the description below if you want to order some stuff from them. But yeah, this slime is good, and I do recommend this slime from Michael's. Like, I know other places sell slime, but I recommend like buying this slime. Not, you don't have to get there's like different colors where I live, but I recommend buying like this type of slime. And this is how it looks. And this is how the back looks. Or this is the front, or this is the back. I can't tell because this looks like it could be the front, because like how it's like is, and then this look like it could be the front too. So I don't know. But yeah, this is how it looks.